Today I'll be taking the differential out of the Coronet project car. This car eventually will get a 440 4-speed, and I think I will keep the 410 out of the Valiant in this, so that should be some fun. .355 sure grip installed. I thought all 489 case yokes were the same, but apparently not. So I had to swap from the old one with the 410, unless that thing got upgraded years ago. So I had to swap those yokes. And while I had that apart, I did the pinion seal on that, and got the the transmission pan all painted up, and the motor is sitting in. What a cluster to get that motor in with those fender well headers. Most of the top end is back together tonight. I still want to go through some of the ignition stuff, clean up the spark plug wires, things like that. Something else I noticed that on these valve covers, these tall valve covers, you don't get very much room between the valve cover and that motor, blower motor. So if you ever had to do anything there, you would probably have to take that motor off to pull that valve cover up and off. And I still need to do something there. I'll probably swap that breather to the front. Yeah, PCV valve on the passenger side. Tomorrow I'm hoping I can start doing some interior stuff. I want to get the shift cable on the transmission and get that part all sorted out. How I want to do this shifter is I want to just have a small attachment point down near the floor, so it's just a small cut in the carpet, and then I'm going to make the shifter mount so that it can be detached. It's going to be a little elevated. You can see that I made a plate for some cup holders as well. And I want to make that so I can attach it, detach it if I'm, not on a 1,000-mile drive. So hopefully, maybe tomorrow I'll get my seat back. I think they want to keep it for a couple of days to make sure that the die is fully cured, whatever. It's Labor Day, so everybody should be taking a break anyway, except for me, because I gotta get this thing done. So more to come tomorrow. I gotta get that Coronet put back together real quick, and then get that thing out of the way, and then start working on this.